That's the clogged shower headway we'll repair. First we will get rid of these black scum, molds, and lime scale. Place the shower head in a deep bowl. Pour 30 milliliters of vinegar. Same amount of mouthwash. 1 tablespoon baking soda. 30 milliliters of vinegar after adding baking soda. 30 milliliters of concentrated spirit. Fill it with water so that shower head is fully drowned in water and leave it for 30 minutes. The bubbles are coming out because of acid reaction. After 30 minutes, take it out and scrub it with steel scrubber to get rid of this stubborn lime scale. Brush it with any dishwashing soap. Rinse thoroughly with clean water so that all the dirt and lime scale is washed off. So now the shower head is clean and shiny. We will now place it back and see how it works. Perfect. The shower head is unclogged and water is coming out smoothly and perfectly.